Good afternoon, guys. Today we'll discuss about the OSGI component and service. Okay. Today, like last session, we had done with the introduction. Now we'll start with OSGI component and OSGI service. Okay. Today we'll discuss what does it mean by OSGI service, OSGI component, and what does it mean by OSGI component, and what does it mean by OSGI service. Okay. Okay, fine. OSGI component and OSGI service, nothing but Java classes only. Nothing but Java classes only. Then what is the difference between the normal Java classes and OSGI component and OSGI services? OSGI component and OSGI service can listen the lifecycle events. Can listen the lifecycle event. So OSGI component and OSGI services is nothing but Java classes only. Okay, Java classes only. Then what is the difference between the OSGI service and OSGI component? Only the difference is OSGI components can listen the OSGI component and services can listen the life cycle events. Can listen life cycle events. Can listen life cycle events. Okay, the life cycle events like activate, comma deactivate, comma modified. So with the help of OSGI component and service, we can take the dynamic data. We can take the values from the dynamic. We can say dynamic data or configuration, dynamic configuration. So these are the major advantages with the help of OSGI component and service. OSGI component and service. OSGI component and service is nothing but Java classes. OSGI component service can listen the lifecycle events like activate, deactivate, modify. And the third important point is we can give the dynamic values. So in the last session we had done with the bundle lifecycle. Last session we had done with the bundle lifecycle. Okay. Okay, last session we had done with bundle lifecycle. So I will write the bundle lifecycle one more time. Bundle lifecycle. So in the bundle lifecycle, we have the steps like first step is installed, and the second one is resolved. Okay, second one is resolved, and the third one is start, and fourth one is active. Fourth one is active, and fifth one is stop. Fifth one is stop. Sixth one is uninstall. So uninstall. Are you guys clear with my point? Bundle life cycle. Bundle life cycle, and these are the bundle life cycles. First stage is the install, resolve, start, active, stop, and uninstall. Uninstall. Okay. OSG component and OSG services nothing but normal Java classes only. Normal Java classes only. For example, if normally how will you take the classes? You can take the classes like this. Test, and from here to here, this is the scope of the class. This is the scope of the class. Are you guys clear with my point? OSGI service and OSGI component and service is nothing but Java classes only. This is the normal Java class. In the core Java, like we had done the basic programs. This is the normal Java class. Okay, fine. Now, if I want to convert this normal Java class into the OSGI component, how can I convert? We have the one annotation. So that is at the rate component. At the rate component is the annotation which is used to convert normal Java class into the OSGI component. Why you are converting normal Java class into the OSGI component? Meaning OSGI component and service can listen the lifecycle events like activate, deactivate, and modified. Okay, inside the class we can take any methods. So I would like to take the public void. I would like to take the method void activate method. Okay, this is the method, and from here to here, this is the scope of this method. Within this method, we will write the business logic. We will write the business logic. So we need to annotate this method name. You can take anything. If you want to listen the events, we need to mandatorily we need to activate. We need to annotate with at the rate activate annotation. At the rate activate annotation. And in the same way, if you want to, like, you can take other method also, public void. If you want to take the deactivate method, and from here to here, this is the scope of deactivate method. So here also we need to annotate. You can annotate with @deactivator, @deactivator, @deactivate. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Next, next. So if you want to update, you need to take modified method. So I would like to take the update, and here from here to here, this is the scope of here to here. This is the scope of the update method. I will guys click the mind. This annotation also can update with @modified annotation. Are you guys clear with my point? OSGI component and OSGI services is nothing but Java classes only. So initially I have written the Java class. If you want to convert normal Java class into OSGI component, why I am converting? Because OSGI component can listen lifecycle events, activate, deactivate, event meaning any small change in the program, any small change you can say event, any small change. Okay, fine. Are you guys clear with my point? So now what I am doing, I will open my IntelliJ. Now this is my project actually. Already you guys have this project, demo project. So inside the demo, so if I want to write the backend, we need to go inside the core, and we have the SRC main, and these are the folders. These are the packages, filters, listeners, models, services. Now I would like to write the OSGI component and the OSGI service. So simply I am going inside the services, and here I would like to create the Java class. I would like to create the Java class. The Java class name I would like to mention. Uh, I would like to mention article. You can give any name. In my case, I am giving the article. What does it mean by article? Article is the class name. Are you guys clear with my point? Now you guys tell me, this is the Java class or what? This is the Java class or what? This is the normal Java class only. Now, if I want to, I need to convert this normal Java class into the OSGI component. Why? Because normal Java class cannot listen the lifecycle events. Okay, lifecycle events. So that's why the normal Java class I am converting into the OSGI component. OSGI component. So for that purpose, we need to mention @component. @component is the annotation which is used to convert normal Java class into the OSGI component. Okay, this is clear. And inside the class, I would like to take the I would like to take the methods. The methods, you can take any methods. So in my case, I am taking public void activate, and this is the method. So if you want to annotate this method, you can annotate with activate. Activate. In the same way, I would like to take remaining methods also, public void deactivate. Okay, and from here to here, this is the scope of deactivate, and here we need to mention deactivate deactivate, and in the same way, I would like to take public void update or anything you can take method name, and here I would like to take modified at the rate modified. Okay, modified. Okay, fine. Now here I need to pass some dummy messages. That dummy message should be like this.